Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 235 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, once you open it, you should see the home page. Now tap on More, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices, and here you should see your Garmin Forerunner 235. Tap on it to select it. On this page, tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on Remove Device, tap on Remove, then tap on Settings. It will redirect you to the Bluetooth settings, and here we need to tap on Settings icon next to Forerunner 235, tap on Forget, and tap on Forget Device. Then we can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.